We've got some serious dust in our Lenovo laptop fan here. Kind of built up over probably 3 or 4 years of dust inside the fan, inside the case. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this Dewalt leaf blower and see if that'll take care of the problem for us. I'm hoping it will. Let's give it a try. Let's see what the results are. Looks like it helped some. Looks like we have to hit it a couple more times. It started rotating on us. And I think when it's rotating, it didn't really work. Well, it's definitely cleaner. I'm going to probably hit it with a couple Q-tips just to clean it up a little bit more, but overall the inside of the case looks clean. So you might give that a try. Kind of loud though. Have a good one.